great outdoors, where the elements put people and their machines to the test. Where only the strongest survive. This is the Matrice 200 series, DJI's most rugged, reliable, and versatile commercial aircraft to date. Forged by the hands of our top drone engineers, it wields an array of functionality for enterprise users who demand tools that exceed expectations. If you designed an aircraft to tackle the toughest situations, what would you include? How about rain resistance, stereo vision systems, dual batteries for longer flights and greater reliability? You'd want modular expansion ports and a compact design that goes wherever work takes you. The M200 hits all of that, and we're just getting started. A newly designed dual battery power system supports up to 35 minutes of flight for maximum airtime with a single gimbal. The M200's powerful propulsion system offers a payload capacity of 2 kilograms, allowing you to fly heavier hardware in unpredictable winds. State-of-the-art aerial imaging is yours for the taking through native support of DJI's industry-standard gimbal technology. Loaded up with the ZenMuse X4S, X5S, Z30 zoom camera, or the XT thermal imaging platform. With an onboard FPV camera, pilots have a real-time view in front of the aircraft to navigate confidently through complex environments. When it comes to gathering critical intel, 2 eyes in the sky are better than 1. The Matrice 210 gives you the power of mounting 2 gimbals at once. Maximize efficiency by flying 2 cameras side by side for capturing different types of image data at the same time. You can now mount a camera on top of the aircraft for inspecting vital infrastructure in all those hard-to-reach places. Mother Nature doesn't always want to play nice, so we've added IP43 ingress protection that shields your aircraft from the elements. The M200 was born to traverse rugged terrain thanks to its compact foldable design, so you're hitting the sky within minutes of arriving on site. 2 batteries provide power redundancy that ensures reliable operation in a wide range of environments, and a self-heating function keeps them operating even in sub-zero temperatures. The M200 isn't just tough, it packs a big brain behind the brawn. With DJI's flight autonomy system, most concerns about safety and reliability are a thing of the past. Powerful internal processors churn data from 20 sensors, with redundant hardware that includes 2 IMUs, 3 barometers, and multiple thermometers that monitor the aircraft's temperature and the temperature of both batteries. An upward-facing infrared sensor recognizes objects above the aircraft. Stereo vision systems detect obstacles down below and in front of the aircraft. The M200's ability to sense and avoid obstacles makes close proximity inspections faster, easier, and safer. The M200 series is our first line of aircraft to feature DJI AirSense, a built-in ADS-B receiver that provides operators with real-time air traffic data. The system gathers information from surrounding aircraft and alerts you when they approach your operation airspace. Modular expansion ports add extended compatibility for custom hardware, so you can build a data collection beast that speaks your own language. With the Matrice 210 RTK, your aircraft gains centimeter-level positioning accuracy, thanks to DJI's DRTK GNSS high-precision GPS technology. DRTK also boasts resistance to magnetic interference for commercial flight missions near large metal structures and electromagnetic fields. The DJI Matrice 200 series. High-performance aircraft with the reliability and versatility fit for any mission, no matter how tough.